Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Mate 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first of all, just go to the settings and scroll down to the security. Now tap here and find the more settings. Tap on more settings and you'll see here the encryption and credentials. Tap on there and just tap to the set SIM1 lock, and now just here tap on the SIM lock card switcher to turn off this function. Now just confirm that with your PIN code and tap to OK. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.